Hello my quilting friends, my name is Leah Day and welcome to this free motion quilting tutorial for pea soup. That is this funky design that we're going to stitch with a combination of sharp stippling and some little curving circles. So here we go. First going to stitch a long curving line. You're going to come to sharp points, and this is another design called sharp stippling. It's an excellent skill building design. And it's great for learning how to stitch those curves and those sharp points without building up thread. Okay, so now I'm going to swirl into a circular shape, doesn't have to be a perfect circle, and swing all the way around again for an internal echo. And then now I'm going to just aim to add lots of flame shapes all around that. Now I've got some weird areas here. I want to sneak down in here and go ahead and fill that in. I don't want to leave that space open. It looks kind of funny. So all I'm going to do is wiggle my way down with more flame shapes, and then if I have to, I can travel stitch along this outline that I've already stitched around my quilting space. So if this was a real block or a real quilt, that might be the stitch in the ditch line, or if you've done echo ditching, that might be the echo ditching line. So please feel like it's always possible to get back out of any area on your quilt just simply by travel stitching along something else that you've already stitched. Okay, getting back to the design, wiggle around, come to sharp points, and again, be careful not to build up thread in those areas. A lot of times what's really common, especially for beginners, you'll notice little knots on the tips of your points, or your point won't be pointy, it'll be kind of curved. The key is just to slow down, and if you have to, stop dead where you want that point to be. Really focus and concentrate on changing direction smoothly. That's going to help you out the most. Eventually it will become so second nature that you won't need to stop with those points. You'll be able to flow through them. But it's really easy to hesitate on the tips of a pointy line like that, a pointy tip. It's really easy to hesitate and keep stitching, and that's what you get the knots from. Okay, let's talk about the circles. That's the last part, and I think I have room to squeeze in one more circle right over there. The key with the circle is just simply to make it a nice, smooth, curving line. Let's aim over here. Swing around, and then don't worry about that if that's not absolutely perfect. Go on ahead and swing around again for an internal echo, and that's going to hide a lot of mistakes. So there we go. That is pea soup, all nice and finished. In this video, I'm quilting on the Eversewn Sparrow 20, a very affordable home sewing machine. Come and check it out and learn more at leahday.com/sew20. Until next time, let's go quilt.